Welcome back to the Exu Collective YouTube channel. Today we have a very quick toy photography behind the scenes piece presented by Jaime. Now you most likely know him as the Eternal Experience. So we're going to hand you over to him. Do enjoy and don't forget to leave all your thoughts down in the comments below.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
Hey guys, this is Jaime, the Eternal Experience, and I'm with xcluecollective.com doing a toy photography behind the scenes. So I'm doing a Star Wars scene today. We have Rey, R2, and Force Ghost Yoda. The Yoda is a custom piece that I got from eBay. Really cool piece. It's clear, so I used a blue finger light to light him up very nicely for a shot, as you can see. The idea behind the shot is basically after Rey got the sacred text, the sacred Jedi text, she's looking for guidance, and Force Ghost Yoda is there to help. But right here, looking at the background, I basically googled a high quality, high resolution Dagobah style background that I found, and I kept some distance between the setup and my actual TV background. That way you get the illusion of depth in the final shot. As you can see, I'm giving you a look at the actual camera right here at the viewfinder. I also have one light source on the left, and that's pretty much it. The other light source that I have is the blue finger light on Yoda. The diorama that I'm using in this current setup was made by me. It's a foam platform that I coated with glue and added real dirt. Then I added real bamboo sticks and fake plants to it to make it look realistic somewhat. And here we have a view at the same setup, but with my room lights turned on, so you can actually see all the details. Rey is holding the Book of the Vishanti from Doctor Strange, another piece that I got from eBay. Really cool. I'm using it as the sacred text here, but whatever. So this is a view from above. As you can see, it has rocks and fake plants that I added, and I like detail, right? So as you can see, I kind of made the dirt wet. Why? Because it's Dagobah, it's supposed to be moisty, whatever, right? I use a bottle and I made it a little bit wet. That's it. It's a nice little detail. With this setup, what I would have liked to do is add some sort of smoke effect, like with vape or something, but I didn't have access to that right now, so I didn't. And here it is. This is the final shot. As you can see, this is how it looks. I actually really like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like the video. I've been Jaime, the Eternal Experience. You can check out my page on Instagram, The Eternal Experience. Same on Facebook and YouTube, you can find me there. And yeah, just give me a follow if you like this video, and let me know what you think.
Thank you for making it to the end of today's video. If you liked what you saw, then why not hit subscribe and support our platform, and we hope to see you very soon with more toy photography behind the scenes right here on Exu Collective's YouTube channel. See you later, guys.